Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once the application is open, go to the top menu and click on the File tab. This will open a menu with several options on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Options. The Excel Options window will open. On the left side of this window, look for an option called Trust Center. Click on it. Now, on the right side of the window, you will see a button labeled Trust Center Settings. Click on that button to open the Trust Center settings. In the Trust Center Settings window, find and click on the option called Macro Settings in the left-hand menu. This section will allow you to manage and enable macros for Excel. You will see several options listed here. By default, macros are often disabled in Excel to protect your system from potentially harmful code. The options you see might include disabling all macros without notification, disabling all macros with notification, disabling all macros except digitally signed ones, and enabling all macros. If you want to enable macros completely, select the option that says Enable All Macros. Keep in mind that this setting can make your system vulnerable to potentially harmful code if you open Excel files from untrusted sources. For this reason, only enable macros if you trust the source of your Excel files. After selecting your preferred macro setting, click on the OK button to save the changes. This will close the Trust Center Settings window. Then, click OK again in the Excel Options window to return to Excel. Now, macros should be enabled in your Excel workbook. If you open a file that contains macros, you may see a notification bar at the top of the workbook that says macros have been disabled. If this happens, click Enable Content in the notification bar to allow the macros to run. Remember to change the macro settings back to their default state when you are finished working with macros, especially if you frequently download Excel files from unknown sources. You can follow the same steps to return to the macro settings menu and select a more restrictive option, like Disable all macros with notification. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.